What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button down below and also that subscribe button, because today we have a really sick unboxing video of the CES N54 bottom mount kit, 6875 precision turbo, and right behind me is a built motor that this kit is going to go on. So before we get into unboxing this and telling you all the cool features, I do want to give a quick shout out to Billet Mason. He built this motor behind me, so I'm going to do another quick recap on this, and we're going to get right into this thing because this is going to be a pretty exciting unboxing. So this motor right here, built by Billet Mason. If anybody's in the BMW community, you've seen his name, you've seen his pictures, you've seen his work. He has the 1000 wheel horsepower red 135, known as the Red Sled, tuned by Motive, but the guy does everything, and I have to give him a big shout out because the process from a customer standpoint was out of this world. I felt like I was his only customer the whole time. His level of service, quality of work it's such a high standard that I honestly don't think anybody can compete with it. So this thing is wrapped up. We're gonna put everything on the engine, get some pretty sweet pictures later on, but Billiam, you're the man. This thing is gonna rock. I just don't have anything else to say besides you just killed it. All right, guys, so let's unbox this turbo. It's a precision dual ball bearing 6875 Gen 2. So let's just get into it.
Welcome to Doghouse Radio with Keizo. Welcome to the Doghouse. Welcome to Doghouse Radio with Keizo.
V-band outlet, and this is I believe it's the 0.96 AR. Got all the fittings, oil fittings on there, oil drain, and the CES kit as well. They do clock the turbocharger for you too, so this thing I can literally bolt up, don't have to do any type of fitment or messing around with it either. That wheel is huge, that thing's big. So that's the turbo. Won't lie, that thing's pretty impressive. So
yeah, it's a beaut.
All right, well let's get into the kit and see where this thing will bolt up to. But first precision turbo, won't lie, pretty pleased. Thing's sweet. All right, guys, so we unboxed the turbo. Let's get to basically the entire kit here. So we got it literally like in 2 days. Extremely fast shipping. Sent me a picture of the box, what's in the box before. Like, I literally felt like I was there. Just the confidence of like, hey, it's going out, this is what's in the box. You know, like that's the customer service between CES, Billiam, even the orange car behind me, we're putting RB game finishers in. Rob, customer service, spot on. Like, all these vendors, you guys are really stepping it up, and I appreciate it a lot. So, this is awesome. So let's get into unboxing this thing and let's see what's in there.
Oh man, you in the doghouse now. Wake up. You're locked in to Keizo's Doghouse Radio. To the ghetto, rock 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 to the 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 rock. to the ghetto funk.
Around town, people trying to get down. 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 Around town, people talking to 'em.
Oh man, you in the doghouse now.
This is Insomniac Radio. All are welcome here.
Spool up like right away. So let's let's clean up. Let's unbox a little bit more. All right, so we pretty much took everything out of the box, gave a quick description. So let's just unbox a couple of things. I'll lay them out all right here. Stainless steel, of course. All nice. So pretty straightforward. Nice thickness and everything too. So you know, I definitely am not concerned that that thing is going to fail anytime soon. Nice welds and everything on it as well. Good coloration. Not bad. Pretty straightforward, but that's it. So yeah, this is
Yeah, it's meant.
this thing's awesome. Very nice. Very cool. So that'll obviously kind of go on there, probably like that, right? Something. Nice piece, very nice piece. The paint quality on it's amazing. It's definitely powder coated. I mean, this is, I no way is this thing rattle canned. So everything's powder coated. Gorgeous. That thing will definitely hold up to everything. So that's pretty straight. Happy with that. That's the manifold. We're gonna do that last. So let's do this. Here is one of the turbo outlet pipes. So this is the one that's gonna go right into the intercooler. We're gonna be using the BMS 7.5 inch race intercooler. Nice piece. 3 inches. Nice T-bolt clamps by Clamp Co. That's a good name brand too. This definitely isn't like some China V-band, or these aren't V-band clamps, T-bolt clamps. So these things are heavy duty. nice, I think it was at like 5-ply, it looks like, silicone. And it also has the little lip in there too, if you can kind of like see there. So when you clamp these things down, that's definitely not blowing off, but nice finish too. Really nice piece. I mean, I can't pick this thing apart at all. I mean, it's perfect. So that's pretty nice. All 3-inch. This thing's gonna flow some serious air too. Nice welds on aluminum. Can't beat it. Yeah, I mean, this thing's perfect. No complaints there at all. That's nice too. I wasn't sure how I'd like the raw finish versus the painted, but the raw is nice. It looks nice. It doesn't look raw. It's beautiful, honestly. So this is a 4-inch inlet too. Forgot to mention that. So the filter's in there, but damn. I mean, that thing's big. Like literally, like, jeez. Beautiful quality. Nice clamps. I mean, it's perfect. Same thing. So, put the filter in here. This is a black finish as well. You can get, I think they have red, blue, and black, if I'm not mistaken. But straightforward, it's just an air filter. So that's most of the kit. Still got a couple pieces left, but I mean, it's nice when you see it here versus like in the pictures. So that's nice. All right, got the O-ring inside of there. Nice billet aluminum. Look, you can just, I mean, the machining marks on there, you can tell that's quality and everything. Nice aluminum welds. I mean, there's no doubt in my mind this thing's gonna fit perfect. Nice lip and everything on there. Like, it's clear. Okay, the hose goes this far. The clamp, you have that much space. You know, that's just, you can tell exactly where all that stuff goes, so. Pretty sweet. This thing will go on the other side, you know, just like that, basically. Bolt right up, so that's pretty sweet. Nice piece too. Alright, so this is the 3.5-inch downpipe. If you've seen a couple of their pictures posted on like Instagram and all that stuff, this thing like looks pretty serious, and it should be pretty rowdy. What's the term everybody uses? Make some jam?
Make some jam.
Make some
Yep,
jam?
exactly.
He's gonna make some jam. Dude, I can literally fit my fist in there. This thing is gonna sound freaking obnoxious, dude. Wow, very nice. Got the bungs in there and everything. Yeah.
Beautiful.
So, that's sweet. Nice quality T-bolt clamps, everything. So, it's lighter than I thought it would be too, honestly. But I mean, it's I don't know what gauge that is, but I mean, that's definitely not eBay gauge, not China gauge, tell you that much right now. So, Alibaba gauge, I don't know. But this thing is gonna freaking be sweet. What is that, heat barrier? So that's straightforward. Motor mount hardware. This here is the coolant tank relocation. Oh yeah, so the coolant tank does have to go on the other side. So this is the wiring for the sensor. So they wrap everything kind of nice in there for you too. So that's pretty sweet. What do we have here? These are definitely for the turbo mounting. Turbo flange hardware and gasket in there, the T4 gasket. Max solenoid. It's nice that they come with this too. I don't know if any other kits come with it. I don't know, I could be mistaken, but you know, even the fittings, all the small stuff. We got the stickers. Let's just open up the Turbo Smart Wastegate. How many people do you think actually fast forward the video now? I think probably everybody.
Yeah, I was just gonna say that.
But whatever. Where's a CES unboxing video?
Nobody's got this kit yet.
I don't think so. So, if you guys are still hanging in there, sweet. Hit that subscribe button and that thumbs up, you know? So, alright. This stuff's pretty simple. So, hey, look, I get new springs. Damn, this thing's pretty beefy.
Yeah.
That should do the trick. It's a nice piece. Same thing, black. You can get different colors and everything, but I had to match the car. So that's pretty cool. The moment we've all been waiting for. We got our razor blade, and we're gonna get into the bottom mount billet, Twinscroll bottom mount, N54 single turbo kit. So we have our turbo over here for support. He's going to give us a hand, and that's it. So, let's get into this thing. I don't even want to scratch it.
Mm-mm.
Jeez. Well, there it is. It's a little surreal seeing it in person because I've seen so many pictures of it, but you can see all the machining marks on it. It's fully billet, so you can see like the weld like all the way around there. So they take like two like literally flat pieces of like steel and they put it on a CNC machine, and these CNC machines are like insanely accurate, super expensive. You really have to know what you're doing to even program a CNC machine alone. So you know that this whole manifold, every like literally like millimeter was like focused on and engineered to come up with this thing. And I'm not just saying that. Like if you know anything about CNC work, like that's true. So totally Twinscroll, so you can just totally see how. All right, this. What's this going to be? This is going to be the front. So cylinders 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6. They all have like individual runners too. Look inside of that thing. Can you see in there with the camera? I can get a flashlight too. But does that help at all?
Yeah.
Like there's no casting marks in there. Like that thing is gonna flow. It's some nice air. You see the O2 bunks. All the threads for the turbo and everything, but yeah, this thing is spot on. Like this thing is freaking nice, guys. Yeah, let me see. See inside of each one there. So, how does this piece look? I was kind of curious on this here. Yeah, so that's where the wastegate's going to mount to, basically right there. So, overall, I mean, I can't even say one bad thing from start to finish. Just from ordering the kit, the communication from CES was like literally spot on. Like I'd message John and like definitely within like a day, maybe two, like tops, he would get back to me. And then towards the end, when we were working out like all the fine details of the kit, like it was almost like I was texting him, just like boom, boom, boom. So, John, thank you. I know you put in some work for me on this thing. This thing is over the top as far as expectation goes, so thank you. Probably next, I think that's basically it for this unboxing video. I'm going to bolt this to the engine, put the turbo on, and we'll probably unwrap the cocoon of the built engine from Billiam. Make a separate video for that. Definitely make a post as well, just to say thank you for everybody, because I'm super stoked about this. So I think that wraps up the video. Thanks for watching, and that's basically it.